Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. So we will continue the problem part of the vector product. Okay, in last class we learned properties of vector product or cross product. So today we are going to discuss around 8 problems in vector product or cross product. Remember that. So okay, the first question for today's class is find magnitude of vector A cross B. Magnitude of vector A cross B. Both A and B is given. So first of all, you have to find out the A cross B. And the definition, yes, J K. What is A? 1 minus 7 7. Next, B coefficients you should write. See, determinant, this is actually known as determinant, and you are going to learn in that particular chapter how to expand. Now observe carefully. I'll explain how to expand this. No other properties required. So you delete this row and column, just multiply like this. So it will be minus 14 minus of this product. Adu plus 14. Correct? Observe ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ? So plus j into, minus, next alternate plus minus ಬರೋದು. So minus j into ಈ column ಈ row ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. So 2 into 1 2 minus 3 into 7 21 plus k into ಆ column ಮತ್ತು ಆ row ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. So minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 and plus 21. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? Okay, so this is nothing but it cancel ಆಗತ್ತೆ 0. So it is 19j alva, 19j minus minus plus adu minus again 19k, correct? Ali plus okay, sorry, here also it is plus, yeah, here also it is plus, so both will be plus. So you can write this as a 19 into j plus k. So this is what A cross B. What is required? The magnitude of vector A cross B. Correct? So that is magnitude of 19 is modulus of 19. Adile difference illa. This will be 1 plus 1. So it is 2 root 2 into 19. Or 19 root 2 is the answer. So magnitude of this vector is 19 root 2. So first ಏನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Magnitude of A cross B using determinant. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು expansion. So ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? minus 7 into 2 minus 14 minus of 7 into minus 2 it is minus 14 plus already we have minus, so become plus 14. So 0 ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಮ್ 2 into 1 3 into 7. Next this 2 in minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 7 into 3 minus 21, but already 1 minus will be there, so because of that it's plus 21. So we'll get this answer. Correct? Yes, very good. So determinant expansion you are going to learn one particular chapter where you will understand perfectly everything. Okay. So find unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector A plus B and A minus B where A and B are given. Okay. So whatever the question, you first find out vector A plus B. A plus B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3i plus i 4i, correct? 2j plus 2j again 4j, 2k plus minus 2k and cancel alva. So A plus B only this one, that is 4 into I plus j add ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. So what is A minus B? Subtract ಮಾಡಿ. A minus B 3i minus i 2i, 2j minus 2j cancel, 2k minus of minus, so plus 4k. Correct? Now okay, now read the again question. Okay, find unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector A and A plus B and A minus B. So which vector is perpendicular to both A and B that we learn in definition of cross product? According to right hand system, n cap is the unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. N cap is a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Now question how to get it. Okay, so remember that we have to find out a unit vector. Okay, so that is n cap. Then the n cap. Okay, what is the definition of A cross B? Vector A cross B is equal to magnitude of vector A magnitude of vector B into sin theta into n cap alva. ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So E n cap I am telling. So this n cap is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. Now in the position of A and B we have A plus B and A minus B. In the position of A and B we have A plus B and A minus B. For that reason you name this as a vector C, you name this as a vector D. Okay, this is vector D, this is vector C. So instead of A we have C, instead of B we have D. So how to get that n cap? Observe carefully. N cap is equal to, it's a unit vector in the direction of cross product of these two vectors, because what is the direction of A cross B? Direction of A cross B is a vector along n cap, no, right hand system. Okay, in the last class I discussed the direction of A cross B is along n cap, because n cap is a vector perpendicular to both A and B, and this is the direction of this cross product, this resultant. Okay, so n cap is a unit vector in the direction of A cross B, or n cap is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both these two. So remember, n cap represent unit vector perpendicular to vector A and vector B, please remember that. Or n cap is a unit vector along the direction of vector A cross B. So even remember this one and the same actually. Okay, this is by definition, actually no need to give any theory, extra theory, but by definition this is true. So now I am using this concept. So n cap andreno is a unit vector along the direction of A cross B. So we need the vector along this direction. How to get it? Remember A cap, vector A by its magnitude. So this is your work. Actually, okay, even in the last class I told there are two unit vector which is perpendicular to A and B. One is this, another one is downwards. So better to write here plus or minus. So what is your work? Find C cross D, then find out its magnitude, use this formula, you will get the answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? So if you want to find out a unit vector perpendicular to two given vector, then you have to find out n cap, and that n cap is always the cross product of the two given vector divided by its magnitude. Since there are two n cap, one is upwards, one is downwards, you should write plus or minus. So this work I am leaving as a homework, because you just now saw in the previous problem how to get the cross product and how to get its magnitude. So you are going to complete. Remember, find out C cross D, C is here, D is here, using determinant method, then find out magnitude like this, take the ratio with the plus or minus, you will get the answer. I hope you can complete this. Artha aita? So the important question, okay, very important question, please remember. Artha agilidre, don't worry, you tell WhatsApp, okay, that this question you not understood, then I'll write the solution and send it to you back. Okay, yarigella artha agala, don't worry, you tell me, okay, your problem. Got it? Yeah, next question. So okay, next question, show that A minus B cross A plus B is equal to 2 times A cross B. See, this is using the distributive property of cross product which I told in the last class. Okay, so multiply this, so what you will get? Vector A, proof. Okay, I'm writing the proof now. A cross A plus A cross B minus B cross A minus B cross B. And we know that when you take cross product with itself, the cross product will be 0, so this will be 0, and you know that A cross B is same as that of minus of B cross A, so I can write this plus A cross B. This is nothing but again 0, because you are taking cross product with itself. Okay, better to write the square arrow mark, because cross product between two vectors is a vector. Okay, so what will happen? Yeah, done. This cancel because 0 only. Okay, so remaining is 2 times vector A cross B, and it is asked, okay, in the question. We started with the LHS, so we got RHS. So what it means? The work is completed. Alva, the proof is completed, because LHS, we proved LHS equal to, simple, very simple question. I hope you understood. Okay. Next, a unit vector A makes an angle pi by 3 with I, pi by 4 with a J, and acute angle theta with the K. Then find out that theta which is made by the vector A along the vector with the vector K cap and then unit vector along z axis. Okay, so solution is like this. Observe carefully. It's simple question again, very simple. Observe carefully. So let me take I cap and unit vector along the opposite direction of x axis. J cap is a unit vector along the opposite direction of y axis. K cap is a unit vector along the opposite direction of z axis. So I can consider actually these are the direction cosines. Okay, so cos of pi by 3, we know this result, plus cos square of pi by 4 plus cos square of theta is equal to 1. We can consider like this. The cross product in the solve ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, but I am using not cross product because finding cross product is not easy. So this is better, easier one. Observe carefully. ಇಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Alpha gamma ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, alpha beta ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, gamma is we have to find out. So cos square 60 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1/4 ಅಲ್ವಾ, cos square 45 degree 1/2 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹಾ, ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 3/4, half plus 1/4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3/4. ಸೊ cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 3/4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1/4. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳೋದು? 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1/4 ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 1/4. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹಾ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ cos theta is equal to plus or minus 1/2. cos theta is plus or minus 1/2. So there are two answers for theta. So theta must be either 60 degree or 120 degree because when it is plus half it is 60 degree, when it is minus half it is 120 degrees. So there are two possibilities. Okay, now yeah, with this actually 60 45 60 is also possible, 60 45 120 is also possible. So let it be as it is, don't worry. Now so I hope you understand how to get theta value. Okay, how we got theta value. Theta is equal to 60 degree and 120 degree. So one more work present in this question is find the component of the vector. We have to find out the component of the vector. So that you have to find out what are the values of A. I'll give you just a hint and it's your work to solve. Artha agilidre don't worry, I'll help you, okay, in WhatsApp, through WhatsApp. See, this is A, vector A, A1i plus A2j plus A3k. Use three data, which is the data angle made by the vector A with I cap is 60 degree, alva. Then J cap is 45 degree. Now with the K cap is 60 degree again. You take one of this, okay? One component sagagata. Artha? So use this data, find out A1, A2, A3, substitute back, you will get the component. Guttagilladre kedi, I will help you, but you must try because one part I show you how to get the angle theta. This part will be easy. Kashta adre heli, definitely I will solve. Okay, I hope you can manage. Okay, I left last part of the previous two questions. Okay, so this you have to complete. Solpa yotne madi, definitely you will get the answer. If not, don't worry. Okay, so I'm moving to the next question. Find lambda and mu if 2i plus 6j plus 227k cross i plus lambda j plus mu k equal to a zero vector. Okay, first you take the cross product between these two vectors. No need to multiply term by term. You know this method. 2 6 27 1 lambda mu alva equal to this cross product between these two vectors is a zero vector. Correcta? So this implies n barath hele I cap into this is I cap, J cap, K cap, 6 mu minus 27 lambda minus J cap 2 mu minus 27 plus K cap into 2 lambda minus 6 is equal to zero vector. Zero vector I know 0 into I cap, 0 into J cap, 0 into K cap. Nenpirli. So now equate in barate first equation you know 6 mu minus 27 lambda is equal to 0. Correct? Or and it is and 2 mu minus 27 is equal to 0. So this implies mu is equal to 27/2. Correct? One value bandaito. Then and one more condition is there. 2 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0 implies lambda is equal to 3. Even we got another value. To confirm whether these two answers are possible or not, substitute here 6 mu 2 3 27 into 3 alva minus 27 into 3. Perfectly match. Okay, so these two values definitely match this equation. So answers are lambda is equal to 3 and mu is equal to 27/2. Okay, this is the answer. One simple question again using the definition of cross product between two vectors. I hope you understood. So we solved today 5 problems. I hope everything you understood. Very good. Next. Let A is equal to A1i plus A2j plus A3k, B equal to B1i plus B2j plus B3k, and C is equal to C1i plus C2j plus C3k. Then show that. See, I'll show you 50% work of this. Remaining 50% is homework because simple ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, but still you try yourself, you will get some knowledge and you will get good experience also. Okay. Now we have to find out first LHS. It is vector A cross vector B plus C. As I told, I'm not going to write each and everything. It's your work. I'll show you how to answer this, but not each and everything. Vector A and gotide alva. What is B plus C? B plus C is B1 plus C1 I plus B2 plus B2 plus C2, okay, J plus B3 plus C3 K. Now you have to multiply this. Okay, if I write everything, then okay, nothing will remain for you as homework. Okay, one side towards and like right hand side you have to work out. Vector A and then A1I plus A2J plus A3K alva. So A1 I cross I 0, so nothing, no need to write anything. Observe carefully. I cross I 0, so no need to write anything. I cross other two element you should write. So enagataga A1 into B2 plus C2, correct? Into I cross J. I cross J, no, K. I cross J will be K. Then what next? I into next one plus A1 into B3 plus C3. I cross K is minus J. Okay, so idenagataga minus J ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So A1 in the ಎಲ್ಲ element multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು. Okay, so next one is A1 is multiplied is over, right? Next A2, J cross J barala because it will be 0. So next one is A2 into B2 plus C2, J cross I will be minus K. Again this will be minus K. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? A2 into next one, A2 into A2 into B1 C1, A2 into B1 plus C1, okay, A2 into B3 plus C3, okay, so then agate see A2 into B1 C1 andre ಇಲ್ಲಿ B1 C1 is I, J cross, okay, we wrote properly. Next A2 into B3 plus C3, that is J cross K, which is nothing but I. Okay, so ಅದೇ ತರ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ A3 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ A3 into B1 plus C1, okay, that is A3 into B1 plus C1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, K cross I, K cross ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus J, okay, minus J cap. Next plus A3 into ಏನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ B2 plus C2. ಸೊ ಅದೇನಾಗತ್ತಾಗ K cross J ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus I. Okay, so this is the right hand side. In next combine ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, you combine this and this, first and this term, this and this term, you'll get one expression. This is left right hand side. So ಅದೇ ತರ next left hand side find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. A cross B and B cross C, compare, you will get the answer. Remember, already I told in the beginning that this not very important, but ಈ ತರ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ one problem solve multiply ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ practice ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Only for just practice I am giving. So this is right hand side. See, if I write one more step for right hand side, I'll just show you one step. Okay, ಹೇಗೆ combine ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದು important. So A2 B3 plus A2 C3, next I come A3 B2 minus A3 C2 into I, ಹೀಗೆ combine ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರಬೇಕು. So again 100% one term will be cancelled. A2 okay, or everything remain. A2 B3 A3 B2, okay, everything remains. So adhe tara plus J coefficient, next plus K coefficient, you will get this. Same thing in the right hand side, write in this expression IJK, compare, you will get the answer. Artha aida? So remaining work is compulsory homework. Okay, artha aida? So you must complete. No need to worry more about it, but still you will get one good practice for multiplication. For that reason I am giving the remaining work as a homework problem. Okay, artha aida? Complete ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? Very good. So next, find the area of the triangle with the vertices. Find the area of the triangle with the vertices. So in the last class I gave formula for area of a triangle, half of magnitude of A cross B. So first find out two vector. Any two vector is allowed, vector AB and vector AC. Let me find out first two vector AB and vector AC. Then area, okay, of triangle ABC is half magnitude of vector AB cross AC. Okay, so finding the cross product, you know, this work will be homework, remember that. Okay, what is vector AB? OB minus OA, 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, 3 minus 1, 2. 5 minus 2, 3. So this is AB. Correct? AC will be 1 minus 1, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. 5 minus 2, 3. So now how to write this directly? See this. This is half into IJK. Coefficient bariere 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 3. Then expand, find out its magnitude, you will get the answer. So this is again a homework problem. Complete madboda. So find out the expand, take the magnitude, multiply half, you will get the area of the triangle. Okay, very good. So last question for today's class, find the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides, adjacent vertices are. Okay, here again we need area, which is a not triangle now, parallelogram. It's a parallelogram. So what is the area of a parallelogram when adjacent sides are known? Area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram is magnitude of vector A cross B. So it is, tell me, what is the A cross B? IJK, alva. 1 minus 1, 3, 2 minus 7, 1. So find out its expansion, find out the vector. In barateli I into 1 minus 1 plus 21 minus j into 1 minus 6 plus k into in barate minus 7 plus 2. Minus 7 plus 2. So that is 20i plus 5j minus 5k. So this is also equal to 5 if you take it outside, 4i plus j minus k. So what is the area? Area is magnitude of that. 5 into square root of 16 plus 1 plus 1. So that is root 18. 5 root 18 square units is the area of the parallelogram. Therefore, it's the area of the parallelogram. 5 into root 18 square units. So one problem solved, but just like this you can solve this and the previous problems also. So whatever we did today, I hope you understood, right? So remaining part of the vector, one part is left, that is scalar triple product, and few problems from miscellaneous exercise that I will take in next class. Thank you.